This is a box, and inside this box is a letter and some pigment. Welcome to the very first episode of You Send It, We Spray It, where you guys send any types of powders, flakes, or pigments that you think would look good on an entire car. You send them to us, and we spray them. This is a box sent to us from a gentleman named Ryan. The letter says, Fonzie, my name is Ryan, longtime follower of your channel. I've been working with epoxy for 5 years now, and we specialize using metallics and flakes in our jobs. We just did a bathroom remodel for a restaurant and had some leftover flake. This job came out awesome, and I thought it might look great on a car. From my experience, it's one of the best brands of flakes out there. I sent all the extras we had. I hope it's enough. Let's see if it works in dip. Thank you, Ryan, for sending this in. So what he sent is a whole bunch. How many do we have here? It looks like 7 or 8 boxes of a flake I've never seen before. This is labeled as an epoxy glitter, and it looks like a freaking awesome cyan or teal colored holographic. Let's pop one of these things open. We've used holographic flake in the past. We've never used this brand. Oh my God, and we've never used this color. Hoochie mama. Now, we had 3 submissions already for You Send It, We Spray It. This is the one that got us the most excited. And as soon as we took a look at it, we realized we might have the perfect base. Right here is the M3 with the ZBP black to purple HyperShift. And Gabe and I were thinking a teal holographic over a black to purple HyperShift could work.
Yeah.
Who knows? All right, how much is in this? These feel dense. This is 150 milliliters, 3.5 ounces. So how many of these, we definitely don't need all of these jars. How many of these do you want to use?
I mean, we can probably just sprinkle a little bit in there.
So dump the whole thing in?
No.
No. Okay, we definitely don't need 7. I'll just take 2 out, put the rest over here. Now at the end of the video, we are gonna show you this flake over a bunch of different base colors as we normally do, but for the car, holy crap, it's filled to the top. Scientific amount? How much flake do we normally use on a car?
5 grams to 25 grams, depending on...
But this is only 3.5 grams. If I read the label correctly. Or ounces.
That's ounces. That's a lot more.
Oh, mama. All right. Scientific amount. A little bit of this. Huh?
All right.
Huh? Let's see. Okay, we need more than that. Wow, look at that. I don't think we've ever used a holographic this color, and we definitely don't have a holographic this color. A little bit more, right? It's too translucent. Sure. Right? Because we're going to cut it.
We are going to cut it.
We're going to cut it. A little bit of this. Let's try that. We can always add more.
This is true.
Okay. Holy crap. I am very excited about this. This entire series gets me super excited because I know that you guys always make suggestions of awesome pigments and stuff that you think would look awesome on dip, and now you have a way of sending them over so we can try them. And if you're wondering how you can participate in You Send It, We Spray It, there's a link in the description box below for all of our videos moving forward now. It'll take you to a landing page that shows you the rules and the address of where to send the pigments. Little stick of truth action. That's not a lot of flake.
I was going to say, this will tell us how much we're
That's
dealing with.
not a lot of flake. Quick temp check. It's got that kind of galaxy vibe. Now, we want to add a teal holographic effect to the ZBP, not cover it.
Correct.
But we still need more.
All right, a little bit more.
More?
A little bit.
We're cutting it. See, I can tell old school Gabe's here because he's getting a little nervous. All right, let's try this because I want to get this stuff down on the car, but let me show you what this is doing. Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and this car looks insane. The HyperShift is still popping. Now the holographic flakes on top are popping. I don't know where to look on this thing. I'm going to take it outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me 1 through 5. And also, just as important, if you want us to do more of these You Send It, We Spray It videos, leave a comment and let me know as well. It really does make a difference. Now, if you want to change the color of your own wheels, your own emblems, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of colors, a ton of kits, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Special thank you to Ryan for sending in this flake. It turned out awesome. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this one. I hope you had fun watching it, and we'll see you on the next video.